Hey, so recently I went out and bought a gas can. My old one had developed a problem, and I thought, well, I'll just replace it. So I went and bought one, and of course, it's not anything like they used to be. The EPA and the government have gotten involved in the cans, and they're really basically no good now. When you buy one of these, you have to actually modify it to be functional and not spill gas all over the place. What I ended up doing is repairing my old one. And the old one has the snap-on vent, which you can buy these, and if this breaks, you can buy these also and install them in these new cans, which I think a lot of people are doing. They probably sell them side by side on the shelf, I'm not sure. But anyway, this one had a rubber extension hose here that also doubled as the gasket. It was one piece of rubber that was molded, and it came up through the hole in the cap, popped into place, and that also kept this gasket in place. But it had cracked right here where it exited the cap over the years, and so I decided to silver solder a barb onto it. I'll show you what I did here. It's silver soldered. You can see it comes through the back here too. I just cleaned up the metal so that it would take solder very well. And I took a barb that I just had laying around like this, and I used a hacksaw and cut it right through the hex here. And this is what's remaining of it. Then I filed that down and got a smooth surface that I could then silver solder onto this cap here. And then once I got that on there, I could just slip this rubber piece right onto the barb and good to go. And so back in action now. This was a really good can. I really like it. It's low to the ground and stable. It's got a lot of base. And the cap here is pretty nice. It just snaps into place here. And it's just like a no-nonsense can. And it's one of the best ones I've ever used. And so I'm going to try to keep it around now. And I still use the new one here too. I'll have to do some modifications to make it functional, because I don't want to be spilling gas around every time I try to use it. I don't really understand why the government does that. But anyway, here we go. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and good luck with your projects.